Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, LED headlights, front disc rear drum brakes, privacy glass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.